Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to our new lecture for CIA Part 1 2025 Change Syllabus. As you all are aware that a lot of things have changed in CIA Part 1 now. However, few key things which were there before and that is there today as well, and that cannot be changed. So let's start with the foundation of internal audit today. As and when we'll proceed with this chapter, we will also be talking about various global standards which are related to the internal audit profession. But before we talk about standards, the global standards, let's understand the basic definition of internal audit. Though we call it basic definition of internal audit, but if you study this definition right, most of your questions will be correct. And this is very, very important for you to understand, whether it is part 1, 2 or 3 respectively. So my serious recommendation that please focus on the definition really well. So internal audit definition may sound little complicated when you read it from the book. So let me just try and make this definition very straight, simple for you. What is internal audit? Internal audit's definition can be broken into very quick 3 to 4 bullet points. Internal audit is an independent, objective, assurance and consulting activity. So what you have to remember are only 4 key words. The first keyword is independent, second objective, third assurance and fourth consulting. What is independent? Independence is not just physical but mental as well. Being an internal auditor, you have to be really free from all type of biasness. You have to be independent to form your opinion so that your decisions, your assurance are not under any influence or biasness. That's what defines independence. The second keyword is objective. If I simplify what is objectivity, as a student, you may have given various exams. Some examinations are subjective, where we use our imagination, opinion, assumption. However, there are some questions, just like CIA papers, which are objective. So you have to select the right one. But that fact is given. You are not creating anything from your side. So objective means fact-based, something where you are not using your imagination. Unbiased, fact-based is called objective. So objective means where we are not using our biasness, we are talking fact-based. The third keyword is assurance. What is assurance? Assurance is a tri-party agreement. Assurance means giving confidence to stakeholders, not just shareholders. So each and every user of your report should feel confident, and that is what assurance is all about. And since it's a tri-party agreement, there are 3 parties involved: the user, the management and the auditor. Auditor gives assurance, the management owns the books and the user are the one who reads your audit report. The fourth word of internal audit is consulting. Our task as an internal auditor is not just restricted to giving assurance. If anyone ever asks you what is the objective of internal audit, the objective of internal audit is to add value. Remember this, always, be it exam or otherwise. The core objective of internal audit activity is to add value. Through consulting, we add value. We support our management in knowing where are the controls which are lacking, to find out those weaker area and advise them how to strengthen is part of consulting. For example, if an auditor believes that controls in payroll functions are weaker, so auditor may support management with consulting how to make it better. But please make sure you understand it right, that consulting does not mean doing it. As an internal auditor, we always have to follow maker and checker. You will never ever be involved in performing the activity. We only suggest what needs to be done. So only 4 key bullet points and definition of internal audit is absolutely clear. So now let's revise it. Internal audit is an independent, objective assurance and consulting activity. The core objective of internal audit is what? Value addition, value enhancement, value creation. That's it. So internal audit definition may sound complicated in books, but practically it's as simple as that. So I'm sure this few keywords will help you remembering the definition of IA, not just for exam, but all your life. So with this, thank you so much for having me. I'll connect with all of you very soon with more video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm coming with more and more videos on CIA revised syllabus in 2025. So stay with us. Thank you so much.